Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assigning clear roles. One router will handle the WAN and DHCP. Others act as LAN routers, bridges, or access points. Power everything but don't connect WAN yet. Log into the primary router's admin using its default IP. Change the admin password immediately. Once done, set the LAN IP range and reserve a small DHCP pool for clients, leaving static ranges for other routers. Make sure to note each device MAC and intended static IP to avoid conflicts. Now configure the secondary routers for their roles. If they are access points, disable DHCP and set a static IP in the primary subnet. If they are routers, use a different LAN subnet and enable WAN connection. Once done, align SSIDs and security settings for roaming or assign unique SSIDs for segmented networks. Make sure to change wireless channels to reduce interference and set strong WPA2/3 keys. Finally, link secondaries via Ethernet to the primary switch or use dedicated back. Finish by validating traffic flow. Connect a client to each router or AP and ping the primary gateway, then an external host. If clients reach the internet but services fail, look for double NAT. Resolve by using bridge mode or placing the secondary router in the primary's DMZ. Once done, adjust firewall rules for cross-segment access and co-S for priorities. If something goes wrong, reboot targeted devices, inspect logs for DHCP or routing errors, and update firmware to eliminate known bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.